Passive income is a form of income that requires little to no ongoing effort. It's the money that comes in while you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with family. Imagine waking up every morning to see extra cash in your bank account. It sounds like a dream, but with the right strategies, you can turn it into reality. Let's explore some amazing passive income ideas that anyone can implement, even if you're just starting out. Our first idea is to invest in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that return a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly, usually every quarter. This means that for simply owning the stock, you receive cash payments. To get started, research companies with a strong history of paying dividends. Look for those with a consistent track record over the years. Platforms like Robinhood or E*Trade make it easy to buy and manage your investments. The beauty of dividend investing is that over time you can accumulate dividends, reinvest them, and watch your wealth grow. Next up, consider creating an online course. If you have expertise or knowledge in a particular area, whether it's cooking, photography, coding, or even gardening, you can package that knowledge into an online course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare allow you to host your course and reach a global audience. To create your course, start by outlining the content, recording engaging videos, and designing quizzes or assignments to keep your students involved. Once your course is published, you can earn money whenever someone enrolls, creating a stream of income that can continue long after you've finished the initial work. Another fantastic option is affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. It's perfect for bloggers, social media influencers, or anyone with an online presence. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank, and start sharing your favorite products on your blog, social media, or email newsletters. The more traffic you generate, the more you can earn. It's a win-win situation. You get to share what you love while making money on the side. Do you have extra space in your home or a property you're not using? Consider renting it out. Whether it's a spare room on Airbnb, a vacation home, or even a parking space, renting out your property can bring in significant income effortlessly. Start by cleaning and staging the space to attract potential renters and list it on platforms like Airbnb or Varbio. Be sure to set competitive pricing by researching similar listings in your area. With good reviews and consistent occupancy, renting can become a reliable source of passive income. Our last idea is to create and sell digital products. This can range from ebooks, printables, online guides, or even software applications. The best part? Once you create these products, they can be sold over and over again with minimal ongoing effort. Use platforms like Etsy for printables or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing for ebooks to reach a larger audience. Market your products through social media or your website to drive traffic. As you build your inventory, your passive income stream will grow without requiring constant input. There you have it, 5 passive income ideas you can start today. The key to achieving passive income is to start small, stay consistent, and reinvest your earnings as you grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on more money-making tips. What passive income idea are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and let's start this journey together.